Later this month, two former JEA executives, Zahn and Wannemacher, will go on trial after being accused of devising a plan that would sell Jacksonville's municipal publicly owned utility and in the process line their pockets with tens of millions of dollars. Our Rich Donnelly is on your side tonight. He's continuing to look through the government's evidence against these former executives. And Rich, what else has been uncovered in this case?
Anthony, the plot to give themselves massive bonuses at the expense of selling JEA was apparently nearly a year in the making. And according to the federal government, it allegedly involved doctoring documents of consulting firms that JEA executives hired. Bombshell testimony was introduced in federal court by witnesses in the government's case against former JEA executives Zahn and Wannemacher. David Wathen works for the consulting firm Willis Towers Watson, which was hired by JEA in 2019 to create a new long-term incentives plan that included bonuses for executives.
We're leveraging some of the best and brightest minds in the business.
That was Zahn during a JEA board meeting in June of 2019. He was specifically referencing ways that JEA could grow in the future.
And I ask that you consider allowing us the opportunity to look at our constraints and consider charter changes so that we can finalize a plan and bring it back to you.
The week before this meeting, the board was presented with this plan from Willis Towers Watson that details, among other elements, proposed executive pay increases as part of a plan to hire and retain quality employees for JEA. In his testimony, Wathen said that he created a draft of this plan in March of 2019, but never submitted it to the JEA board. He added that it's rare for municipal utilities to have these types of plans because they're publicly owned.
As I'm hoping everyone in the community is starting to see, it does require the courage of a community to have a robust conversation of what they want their utility to be.
In the June 2019 board meeting, a plan with the Willis Towers Watson logo is presented to the board. But in a federal court, Wathen said that he did not make this plan and previously provided JEA with an editable PowerPoint document, saying, quote, "The final plan is one that Willis Towers Watson would never produce nor endorse." If Zahn and Wannemacher are found guilty, they could face up to 25 years in prison. Their trial starts in less than 3 weeks. Reporting live in downtown Jacksonville, Rich Donnelly, First Coast News, on your side.